I did it. It honestly was so easy. You may want to check this out. It basically was iced over outside. Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday, June 26th. Let me take my glasses off because I am really tired of giving this air-conditioned talk energy. I feel like I'm fueling the fire by I keep talking about it, but I'm just trying to keep you guys updated on what's going on. So after saying that to you guys, I literally went on to talk to you guys about this for the next 45 minutes. No, we're not doing that. So basically what happened was I walked in my house. The thermostat was set to 74. It was 78 and no air was blowing. Problem. Set it to 71. The house upstairs was 80. Didn't turn back on. Ended up having to call the dudes to come back out there because obviously now it went from blowing super hard, which was good because my bill went from 18 to 22 to 37, down to $9 and $8, which is more normal. But now it was getting warm in here. That is pretty much the end of the story. Someone had to come out. Now that that is over, you guys, I want to show you that I bought some things from Amazon and I want to do some tests. End up buying this Newmowa vlog screen like mirroring thing. So I'm excited for that. And it's supposed to be like you attach it to your phone and it shows you the back camera so that I can start talking to you guys using your back camera, hoping that it'll be better quality. So that's what that is. That was a little pricier, but it actually only cost me about $28 because I used some of my points. It was on sale for $49.99 and it did say it was the lowest price in 30 days. And then the next day it was on sale for $48.99, the lowest price. I was like, give me my dollar. I didn't do that though. But I was like, it's okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna fight for a dollar. But yes, I'm hoping it works well. There is one that I think is just for iPhone and one for Samsung. And then certain types of Samsung. So I made sure my S1 Plus, yeah, it's S21 Plus. It's old, but it's working. And then I did pick up another item to go along with it. You guys know I just bought, around my birthday, I bought the big stand that you guys are on, but then that thing broke on it. And then I realized that when I was at the coffee shop the other day with Salisa that I wanted something smaller just to like prop up on the table or something. So I ended up picking this one up. It is the MT08 from Ulanzi. And it looks pretty good in the picture. And I believe I did some research and there was some good feedback on it. So I'm excited to open it up and check it out. Look at that, y'all. It's 5:55. Can't make this stuff up if I wanted to. So that is the Ulanzi tripod MT08. I will be leaving the link to it if you're interested. I believe this was also on sale for $15.15. Of course, the double numbers got me. And if you want to keep watching until maybe not Black Friday, you know, Prime Day, which is coming up June 8th to 11th, maybe. It feels pretty sturdy, but very lightweight. And this tilts, which I like. It goes all the directions. Yeah. Swap it open, and I do like that it has the middle stand, so it's very stable. Oh, okay. So that's basically it. Lightweight, nothing too crazy. Easy to hold. And I think that it also moves up, which is another thing I really like. So it telescopes up to give you some, I think that's about it, but it gives you some length. So if you're just holding it away from your face, it goes from this tabletop, inconspicuous tabletop, and then pulls out to about there. Then if you're like walking and you're trying to get a side angle and your phone's up there and like this, or even just in front of you, you get a bit away from you, which is nice. And I do like that the ball head rotates, and it does have a sink in, so you can rotate all the way vertically like so. So yeah, I like it. So my goal honestly would be to eventually get a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, or maybe by the time I save my $1,000 it'll be a 4 out. But That's what I would like to get. But for now, I'm just trying to find ways to use my camera and make the best of it. This comes with a charger, and it comes with the Bluetooth snapper, you know, whatever this is called, but you know what I'm talking about. It's like the Bluetooth control for the camera. It also comes with its own phone holder, which is what goes around the phone. If I remember, I'll put a few screenshots of what they show on the Amazon website on how you kind of hook it up. And then this is the screen, which is actually quite large. I was expecting it to be so much smaller. And give you a little bag. Oh, it's a nice bag. To put your screen in if you're traveling and going. So very nicely packaged. This magnetizes and it's not falling off. You know, it's on there. And then it has some connectors there. I hope you can see that. And then a few other devices on the side. But yay, I'm excited. I'm going to actually try to connect my phone and let you guys know if it works out. This is the power button over here. So it says hold for about 3 seconds. Ooh. And we have screen. Okay, guys, I did it. It honestly was so easy. I wish I'd known about this so much sooner. All I had to do was go and pull down the little drop down from the top of your phone, and then you hit smart view icon, which is like towards the bottom, and then you search for the device, and the device name was on the screen, and then you hit start now and it connects, and that's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me turn it around. Oh, look, I can see me. I can see me. There is a slight delay, but I mean, honestly, it's just a matter of saying, like, so now I know, like, going here, now I can see. The only point is to make sure that I'm in focus, or now I have to figure out where to look. I probably just look into my own screen, but I'm moving my hand up and down as if that's going to do anything. But yay, I did it. And I do believe that one of these buttons is for brightness. And the nice thing of, oh, here it is. So the nice thing about this also, y'all, is, look, see, it'll tell me if it's in frame or not in frame, and now I'm in frame. So that's what I'm kind of looking for, because that's my struggle normally. And shout out to the person who said they could actually do it from the Samsung watch, but my Samsung watch is broken, so I needed another way. However, I love this, and so this goes on the back side of my phone, and then I would just kind of look through the viewfinder of the back camera going forward. But yay, this is so cool. It does work. This is the Samsung one. Again, I will leave links to both. There's a Samsung and an iPhone one. I will link both of them down below. If you're a content creator or a vlogger, this is not sponsored. You may want to check this out. I'm about to put it on my actual back of my phone and connect it. So I assume I would just, because this is the actual holder for it, like so. I didn't know this was going to turn into a whole tutorial. Stuck, it's on there good. And the nice thing is that it slides so that you don't cover your camera, camera lens, whichever way it is. And then this part would kind of replace what my phone is being held in now. Screw-in portion down here, just like my other one does. And then it's nice because this one actually has a shoe to where you can connect a microphone, as well as you can connect a light if you wanted to, which my current holder does not have. So this is kind of cool. So I'll be right back, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, another thing I want to say is, like, it doesn't have to be attached to your phone either. It's like you can be way over there, like on a green grass, and it'll stay connected so you can look at it and see if you're in frame from way over there. That's another great feature. Oh yeah, those are the things I just bought. I'm loving this, you guys. I'm going to rewatch it now and pray that the quality is better than it was, and then work on, I'm going to take it off, charge it up, and work on just connecting this. This should be relatively easy. That's all I have for you today. I am starving. Okay, so I think I have some fried rice I can throw in a pot real quickly, and I'm about to do that. So I'll talk to you later. Good afternoon, Grateful Gang. Happy Saturday. It is June the 28th. We only got a couple more days left in June, and here I am. I'm just sitting in my house, actually getting cool again because the AC guy is here. And he's trying to figure out what the problem is, because when I went outside to look today, it basically was iced over outside. So I had to turn it off, and then I had to put the fan on, and it defrosted and all that stuff. So per instructions of the other AC guy. And other AC tech is here, and he's been going up and down the steps, and I feel so bad that I don't have any Powerade or ice cream for him because it's just a lot up and down these steps. I pray that today we can figure out what the problem is. They've been very graceful and coming and making time to come and help me, which I appreciate. So I'm happy someone is here trying to help me. Today I had planned to do daddies and boys, hang out with grandma, and go by my sister so I can book the hotels for the cousin trip that we have planned. I'm not sure if that's going to happen now because it's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I was able to straighten up a little bit in the living room, the kitchen, vacuum, all that stuff. When it gets cooler upstairs, I can get back to my routine of cleaning upstairs and all that. But for now, it's just slow and steady at a cool pace.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time.
Hi, wait a minute.
I can't take no more.
Some me right. They will put B inside of E is beyond me. So B is here, and I'm thinking like, oh my God, I've missed B. I've misplaced B. I don't have B. B is actually inside of E.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
I have these 2 pieces left, but there's nowhere on my to-do list, on my directions where I need them. So I'm gonna assume that I don't need them. I missed them. They're supposed to go on this white part right here, in between here. So I'm gonna disconnect this part and just put these on. Y'all don't need to see that. And then I'm gonna put on the wheels. Y'all don't need to see that either. It's really pop and go. But I'm glad I reread the instructions and figured out where the heck these went. Got our hangers. Headed downstairs. I think I have the clothes that I planned on posting in the laundry room. And I think that my steamer is also down here. There is a shirt that was in my closet that I grabbed as well because I've noticed I've not been using it. Or every time I go to put it on, I take it right back off. And I'm like, no, I'm not gonna wear that. Yeah.
Is that the same way? But this one seems like it doesn't run two thermostats at the same time. It seems like it has to satisfy. It seems it has to satisfy one to activate the other one.
Then one place will just be hot, while the other place is cold.
No. Yeah, but it will be like this. So what it will do is normally people set them up like 2 degrees stick or something like that, right? And you have more cool, right? So what it will do is it will run one zone and satisfy that.
Okay, so maybe this one does that, but I don't like this one. Oh my gosh, y'all. I've done nothing I'm supposed to do. I don't have the microphone on, so I'm so sorry if you can't hear me. But it is now after 6. It's 6:21, and the guy just left. He thinks, well, it's not fixed yet. He'll be coming back on Monday again with the zone board situation. And he says that he put only so one thermostat is working the whole entire house. Listen, that's fine as long as it cools in here, okay? But it's 6:20 something. I have not done all the things that I wanted to do today. Luckily, I was able to put up the clothing rack and get a few pieces out and steam a few pieces, but I had so many other things on my list. I'm getting to my parents' house so late, didn't get to meal plan, didn't go, but I did get to read some of my book. It's just, I feel like, I don't know if this is a way of the Lord slowing me down on the weekend. And I'm not mad about slowing down on the weekend, but I'm also like, I had things to do. Anyway, I was just checking in with y'all. I'm about to just head out. I'm not sure there's going to be anything else to this vlog because I'm really just heading to my parents and then maybe heading to my sister's if her and the kids aren't about to like take it down by the time I'm out of my mom's house. Went to American Deli this time. Got the chicken fried rice with no onions and got some hot honey wings, 5-piece. They are so expensive, you all, but oh, and I got a cherry Fanta, and I'm a ranch girl, not a blue cheese girl, but lady. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and relax. It is like 9:20 or something. So I'll talk to you later. Love you, mean it. Bye.